They look like they won the World Cup final, and why not? Why not be happy? This is a magnificent win, and it's just one stage in an upward trajectory.
It's a historic win. Historic day for Bangladesh. First delivery for one world. For a boundary and a 5-wicket win.
Of their team's joy and the team's occasional moments of positivity. They can celebrate hard and late into the night.
Mustafiz koi?
Bangladesh going to carry the giant flag, but it's wonderful for a nation that is finding itself. You just imagine everybody in Bangladesh today. What we're talking about is just bring everybody together. Even that first six, he got it off. But Sarkar was magnificent. He's coming back to form. It was very timely. And then Mahmudullah and Mashrafe Murtaza. Everybody chipped in a little bit. He had to make 100 straight.